Okay, now ignore that and try to help me. This doesn't has a hook or something, bro. Remove this.
Like what happened?
What kind of helmet they give, bro?
हेलमेट के अंदर हेलमेट पहना तो ऐसे ही होगा ना.
Yeah.
Okay, he's out of it.
Finally, I'm out. Oh God.
Welcome back, Gondis fam. It's a day 2 in Goa.
Yeah.
And yesterday was amazing and we couldn't cover up many places yesterday because we were tired traveling and plus the trek was too long.
Yeah, it was pretty long and pretty tiresome. So let's see, today we can cover more places. We have 3 forts today in the schedule. Let's see, we can cover up those 3 forts.
We are planning to go first to the Rees Mogis
Reis Magos Fort.
and then the Agoda Fort and then last we'll try for Chapora Fort.
We are at Reis Magos Fort, bro. Yeah. Where is the entrance, Anku? I guess that side. So let's see, we'll enter the fort. Okay, now ignore that and try to help me. This doesn't has a hook or something, bro. Remove this.
Like what happened?
What kind of helmet they give, bro?
हेलमेट के अंदर हेलमेट पहना तो ऐसे ही होगा ना.
Yeah.
Okay, he's out of it.
Finally, I'm out. Oh God.
So here is a beautiful river and here is the Rees Magos Fort.
Here we are entering the Reis Magos Fort. That's the church or what? That's a pillar just? Huh?
Umbrella है ना, म्हणजे church आहे.
Okay. So here's the walk path. Reis Magos. That's the fort. I hope it's not another trek, uncle. No, not again. Yeah, I hope so. It's not very much to climb. Oh, it's another trek, Anku.
Oh, hell no!
And we are planning to cover 2 more forts. We'll walk till there. Let's take an entry into this. Okay, the view looks nice over here. Huh? According to Anku, these are chotu sa jail. Then what? You want a 2 BHK, 3 BHK jails, huh? Huh? There are 2 confinementary cells over here. One is over there. One is over here. I wish I could put Anku over there. Again, I would get back my freedom of bachelors, bro. So, for right now, let's take a look how it looks from the top of the fort. Oh my god, look at those cannons, Anku. Wish I could hold you up and place inside that and blast you up.
Why are you being so?
This is so amazing, bro. Look, my goodness, this is dope. What are you planning to? Are you planning to jump or what?
Yeah.
Just do it!
As you can see, the fort is surrounded by waters, and I guess basically it has 2 wings, and each wing has some 3 to 5 canyons to protect the fort. I would feel. Walk over there, you will find another wing where Anku is standing right now. I'll take you over there, guys. The pathway and the rocks are still old. I guess it is maintained properly. Hey, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
Hello, cutie pie.
So here it is. This is the another wing where you can find 3 canyons protecting the fort, nigga. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What is this side? I don't know. This is the left side, I would say. As soon as you climb the fort, this got a pretty beautiful view. Check this out. And here is the back side of the fort. Yeah. So that's Rey Magos Fort. I'll give you a short look, guys, how the overall fort looks like.
So here comes the end of our first destination, that is Rey Magos Fort.
Yeah.
And now we'll be moving on to the next destination.
After Rey Magos, we have arrived at our next destination, that is Agoda Fort.
We got this melody, and you can trust me, baby. We got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side.
We had been here, na? In BC or MCA? MC. With our MCA batchmates. The crowd is too much. Crowd खूप आहे इथे आज. This is how the entrance is. From there it starts the entrance, and this is how you have to climb up to the top. So we are entering the Agoda Fort. So this is how it looks. We'll climb up. I hope the look from the top is good, Anku. What you said? Oh my god, this is lovely. This is dope. What's inside this? It's a lighthouse, I guess. This calm breeze. This is lovely. I'm remembering my MCA days. If Avinash is watching this, Avya bagalas tar.
MCA is not Avinash.
Oh fuck. This is the way we climbed up, and this is the pathway to turn or take a walk around the whole fort over there. We had been to this fort for our MCA industrial visit. We are recollecting.
That was actually not an industrial visit. We didn't come industrial visit to this fort.
Then?
We had come to Goa in some company for industrial
Oh,
visit.
that's what I
It was
meant.
like a short vacation for our batch.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
And thanks to Pawan sir.
Yeah, thanks to Pawan sir. Sir, if you are watching this video, we are remembering you right now. Not only you, all the guys. After this, we went to Langut Beach and we had a party over there. Hope you guys remember.
Yeah.
Jungle of love.
So, opposite to me, the sea.
Huh.
So, enemies could have easily entered
Yeah.
using boat
Yeah.
ships inside Goa.
Yeah,
Portuguese and all.
yeah,
So, to protect the enemies
Yeah.
from entering Goa,
yeah.
these forts were built.
Okay, but they should have kept the canyons like the race, Mago.
These are cannons.
There are no canyons, bro.
So, wrapping up with this destination, that is the Agoda Fort.
So now we'll try to cover the Chapora Fort, and meanwhile we have captured some glimpse. Do watch it until we hit the road.
Jungle of love. Jungle of love.
So guys, there is a change of a plan. We were traveling to Chapora Fort, but we couldn't make it as it was turning dark. So we'll try to cover by tomorrow. Yeah, if possible. So right now